Okay. So I have to admit it. My favorite art term has always been chiaroscuro.
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 Okay, you get the idea. Doesn't it just roll off the tongue? Chiaroscuro. I learned it back in 8th grade during an art history lesson, and ever since then, it's been my favorite art term. Hey, it also makes you sound like you know what you're talking about if you use it to talk about a pretty painting. Just look at the chiaroscuro in this Vermeer. So what the heck is chiaroscuro anyway? Chiaroscuro is an Italian term that translates to light dark. In art, it refers to the use of strong contrasts between light and dark to create the illusion of three-dimensional volume on a flat surface. So basically, it is when you paint using dramatic light and shadows to emphasize a figure, a story, or to heighten the emotional tension in your painting. So basically, it's very dramatic lights and darks. Artists known for using this technique include Leonardo da Vinci, Caravaggio, Rembrandt, Vermeer, Goya, and Georges de la Tour. I'm going to share with you 6 reasons I think you should be using chiaroscuro in your art, not just because it sounds cool to say. Yep, there are real reasons why you should be using it in every one of your paintings. Number 1. Depth and dimension. By contrasting light and dark areas, it gives the illusion of three-dimensionality and can make the subjects or objects appear more realistic and tangible. It makes them rounded, basically. Number 2. It can also add a dramatic effect. Chiaroscuro is often associated with dramatic lighting and high contrast. This technique can evoke strong emotions and add a sense of drama to a painting. And who doesn't love drama in a painting? Number 3, focus and emphasis. By employing chiaroscuro, an artist can direct the viewer's attention to specific areas or subjects within the painting. So you can direct their view. You can direct the eye to go where you want it to using light and dark. Easy, right? Number 4, realism and volume. Chiaroscuro is often used in figurative painting to portray a sense of realism and volume. By carefully observing and capturing the interplay of light and shadow on the subject, artists can render a three-dimensional form more convincingly. In other words, an arm looks like it's round. Number 5, textural effects. Chiaroscuro can be used to enhance the textural qualities of a painting. By employing various shading techniques, artists can suggest the texture of different surfaces, such as smooth skin, rough fabric, shiny objects. You get the idea. Especially when you're using only one color. This comes in, you have to use this. There's no other choice but to use chiaroscuro in this case. Number 6, and maybe most importantly, is to use it to tell a story, to create a narrative in your painting. Chiaroscuro can be a powerful tool in storytelling and narrative painting. By strategically placing light and shadow, an artist can create a sense of mystery, highlight important plot points, or convey specific narratives within the artwork. It adds a visual layer of the storytelling process, enhancing the overall impact and communication of the painting's message. Here I'll show you a few examples of that. It works terrifically for storytelling. Overall, chiaroscuro is a versatile and impactful technique in painting that can bring depth, drama, focus, and emotional resonance to a work of art. It offers artists a range of expressive possibilities and can greatly enhance the visual impact and storytelling capabilities of a painting. So, if you learned something today, I would really appreciate a big thumbs up. And if you're interested in learning more about painting and art, please consider subscribing to my channel. Hey, it's free. Not many things are free today, right? Thanks so much for watching my channel. All right, so go and use chiaroscuro in your next painting. Now go paint.